today I will get another video. Here's my Talking Tom old version. We're going to review another Talking Tom or different app. And let's go review a different app, not like this app. You need this app. I'm going to play Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird is this version. This is Flappy Bird. I always die. Okay. Look, you can. This is called Flappy Bird. Mommy, play Flappy Bird because I cannot play Flappy Bird. You need to jump.
Mara makinin.
You died. This is the hard and complete version. I get banned because it's too hard, I think. It's too hard. That's why it gets banned. This app is banned because this is so cool. Oh, shit!
Dapat usalaan na usa. Dili pwede asin tap-tap.
And you need to a little bit jump and go down and jump and go down and jump, go down and jump and go down. Oh, shit!
I got a 4.
Oh, that's so cool. You're the coolest, ma. Bro, I'm not playing it. My mommy is playing it. Oh, sorry. Mapukol. Maloko. Sorry. Mapukol. Look. Man, every time you die, you respawn with a new bird. Oh, that is weird.
Aram na ako. Technique.
And not say any F words or N words, money. Oh, that's closer. And that's not even me playing it. You died. You actually died. Mommy, do it. Daddy, do it. Oh, you need to press. You need to press to go up.
Oo, ano yun?
Oh
Dapat
my
dili.
God.
Pagada na, ayun na pagkuhan na. Igbaw.
Okay. I got another two. I got another one. Stocking Santa. Hey. Yes. I'm like E.R. Shummy talking Alan Alien.
Flappy Bird is a challenging game. You have to fly through the pipes. However,
Flappy Bird!
this app is no longer
Rainy
available in the
Bird!
app stores.
It's
So, I'm
raining!
going to show you how to download it.
Man,
Get it
it's
from the app stores
raining!
anymore because it's
Hey,
banned
I
from
need to
both.
shop because
However,
it's so
you
raining!
can get it on Google. Only works
Oh my
for
God!
Android.
It's raining!
You can just simply search Flappy Bird APK download and simply download it.
Shucks.
Now let's get into the review.
Hey!
Nouns such as Sloppy Bird, Fabby Bird, Flappy Crow, Flying Bird, and Flying Bird, Flip Bird, Flappy Fly Bird.
Fly bird in a ball.
This is the original one, the one that started it all, Flappy Bird. This app right here.
I gotta record.
So let's get into it. As you see, it's made by Gears Studios. So, you basically have to tap the screen in order to start. This is the 2013 edition. So let's try it.